Hi viewers, I'm continuing along with my study of magnesium cell. Here it's distilled water with Oxone, sodium peroxy monosulfate, manufactured by DuPont. And I'm using a Grafoil electrode, and I have a piece of aluminum to bolster the Grafoil. It is rather fragile, and I bought this commercially, a few sheets of it. And what I've done with the Grafoil is to use a little tie-back plastic device. I don't know if you could see it or not. I'm holding in there a piece of carbon pad. So I have that for increased surface area, and it doesn't interfere at all. It's not offering any significant resistance. I like the performance of this current collector. Of course, the cathode is the Oxone, and I have the magnesium rod as close as possible without getting a short. I'm very interested in this. I want to see how Grafoil performs versus the typical graphite electrodes that are used. So right now we're at 1.97 volts. I'm drawing 50 milliamps. And interesting enough, I started at about 2.27 or so open current voltage. There was a much smaller drop when I started to draw current with the external circuit. And of course, I'm producing hydrogen gas with the magnesium. That's another story. We'll eventually collect that and put it into a fuel cell. But a much smaller drop with this carbon pad. And the average voltage is 2.02 volts, and that is over 38 minutes. So capacity so far, right, 32 milliamp hours, 64 milliwatt hours is the energy output. And the beginning voltage, to be exact, was 2.265. And then I will report the area of the magnesium being used and the Grafoil. But I'm seeing differences here, definitely. So I'll keep you posted on it. Thanks for watching. Bye.